Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1951 Shoebox. I got Charlie here, proud owners, owned this car for many, many years. Gonna tell us a little bit about it. How you doing today, Charlie?
I'm having a great day, thank you.
Man, what a car, man.
Thank you, I'm proud of it.
Yeah, you
a
should
little bit
be.
of work, but worth it.
Absolutely. So it's finished in green, almost looks like a modern color, right, Charlie?
I believe, yes, it's a Chrysler color. It's
Really pretty. It's got a lot of metallic in it.
yes.
And then with the touches of the hand-painted pinstripe, really give it a nice, cool look.
That was done by a guy that lost his arm.
Oh my
He does
God.
it for a living now. He's called Bandit.
Bandit.
Yeah, out of Jersey, yeah.
Wow, one-armed pinstriper.
Yes.
I love the spots, dual spots, lake pipes. I love the visors over the rear view mirrors. Really nice touch. Paint is beautiful. Love how he brought that pinstriping all the way down and up on the hood.
See, if you look, he signed it.
Yeah. Bandit. Cool. Really nice job.
I made him do that.
Love it. Nice straight body. Continental kit. Well, we're not reliving the 50s. You never left.
Right.
This car sounds so good too. It's got 2.5-inch exhaust with cherry bombs. Looks like Dodge Polara caps. Wide whites. The tires look pretty new, huh, Charlie?
Yes, they are. They're Radials.
Ah, makes a big
They
difference.
make them look like old cars, but it's radial tires.
Yeah. Very cool.
Special from Cooper, yes.
Oh, Cougar, yeah. Beautiful inside too. Nicely refinished with the white. Kind of goes with the theme. It's got an I Did It column that has tilt. Wood Grant steering wheel, 3-spoke. Seatbelts all the way around. Showing 65,133 miles. You see Bandit brought that pinstriping throughout the vehicle and right inside. Man, this is a nice Victoria. You also added gauges. So it's got temp, 2 temp gauges, I guess for each port, right?
Yes.
Oil, volts, Suntac, RPM, custom stereo. Fuel gauges on this side. The horn is right here. That's great. Beautiful. Got 6-inch speakers in the back and the deck. Love that split back window. That's pretty cool. That's how they did it, man. Custom cranks and handles on all the doors. A very nice touch. Cool. Doors shut like a vault. Can you fire it up?
I certainly can.
You're not even gonna get in. Man, I love the sound of the Flathead, right? Got a pull here. This opens up the trunk. Little secret stash spot. And then Continental kit. Just opens like this. Little handle right here. Goes. It's got a nice finished trunk. Equipped with a first aid kit, some tools, a little bit of gas, fire extinguisher. how you did the screwdrivers right there, Charlie. Pretty cool.
Yeah, I got everything I need in there.
Yeah. Super nice chrome and stainless throughout. I love the little dice too. You have the green dice on the caps. Kind of follows the theme to the green dice on the rear view mirror. So what do we got under here?
Flathead.
Is it a Mercury or a Ford?
It's a Mercury, I believe.
Yeah, they get a little more horse out of those.
Yeah.
Offenhauser finned valve covers. Dry power. Those are Offenhauser Intake too. What kind of carbs are these, Charlie?
94s.
Cool. Chrome alternator, right? It's not a generator.
What?
It's an alternator, not a generator?
Yeah, it's
Cool. I know you got a Mercury steering box pad down here too. Yeah, cool. He's got painless wiring throughout. This is his fan. You turn it on. It goes on by a thermostat. Keeps it nice and cool. These flatheads like to run cool. They don't like the heat. Runs nice, huh? Book of the restoration. Pretty cool. Man, door shut. Beautiful. Never left the 50s.
That's right.
It's so true. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Charlie, thanks for coming out and showing us your car today.
Oh, my pleasure. My pleasure.
Guys, if you have any questions at all, give me a call. I probably took 200 photos today. And you can reach me at 631-339-0399. Visit my website, weebyautos.com, and smash that subscribe button. Talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.